how I would approach this, because I believe I've done this before and I think I can do it again right now. So here's the landing page. This is the Metaslider, as you know. This is not. This is just straight HTML that you wrote. And so the goal is to make this look like this. So first thing we're going to do is see where our container is. So our container has our image and then the rest of our content. So this item should float left and this item should float right. In order to do that, we have to increase the width to be 100% of its parentmost container, which would be this. Now I see here it's set to a max width. This is hard coded in there. I'm not sure where that code comes from, but I'm assuming it's happening because of a setting that's in the back end of Metaslider that defines the width. So let's take a look. Oops. We're already logged into the back end, so let's go to Metaslider. Where are you? Metaslider Pro. There we go. And web dev width. So we go to advanced settings and we say output is 100%, and we refresh our page and think that that will make it go. So there we go. There's our output with 100%. So now what we've got to do is you could use CSS to do what I'm about to do, but I'm going to try using Bootstrap. So where's our slides? Okay, here we go. So I'm going to add class, Bootstrap class called column, let's say 4. And we're going to add another column here in the existing class called column 8. And then we're going to make its parent have a class called row. And Bootstrap grid. Let's see what if I'm missing another parent container, because it should have done it automatically. So let's look at this code. So there's column, row, container, and BD example. So it shouldn't need that. It shouldn't need container either, because container is kind of kind of an unnecessary class. Okay, so adding the Bootstrap didn't work. I don't know why. Maybe Bootstrap is not being included into this page correctly or something. But so the next thing is, let's try and float this left. Float left. Width, let's say 25%. Now let's say 50%. And then we're going to go to this item, and we're going to say, Metaslider caption wrap, float left, width 70%, and let's actually float right instead. Okay. So for some reason, even though this is 50, oh, whoops. Let's do 40% is what I meant to do. Okay. So now we've got them positioned pretty closely, right? But it's not clear up here. So we probably have to apply a clear none. Nope. Let's do important, see if that makes a difference. Nope. Okay. This and this. Let's apply clear none here. There we go. So as you can see, there we go, we got it. So you should just be able to copy what I just did and put it in the code, and we'll get what we want there. Probably shrink this down a little bit, 40%. Now let's do 45, 48. Yeah, there we go. That looks about right. And then we'll adjust this to be 60%. Oh, we'll do 50%. Perfect. So there you have it, buddy. And that should do the trick. It's possible, because this is using JavaScript, that those styles might get overwritten when a slide transitions to the next slide, in which case you might have to use important tags or something, but that should do the trick. And as far as adding website development under there, you can probably go to the settings here, title excerpt, and WooCommerce categories, what we'd be looking for. I don't know where that is. Post date, post excerpt, link, post content, author link, category list. Here we go. Cats. Cats, categories. Save that. Now it's going to reset when I refresh the page, but okay, it doesn't look like it has any categories for now, but that's okay, whatever. So there you go. Okay, bye.